It's the Britt Rachelle Show. Do, do, do.
Hey Peaches, and happy Independence Day! It's your girl Britt, and today we are making something super sweet and super patriotic with a red, white, and blue strawberry shortcake. For this recipe, you're going to need your flour, baking powder, generous amounts of honey, of course strawberries, butter, blueberries. Today we're going to be using nutritional yeast, nutmeg, and cinnamon, though these are completely optional. I think it makes it taste pretty unique and pretty yummy. Milk, brown sugar, salt, and of course vanilla. Let's get started. Now that we've aproned up in our July 4th best, we're going to do the first thing that we always do. Better not forget, preheat your oven. For this recipe, it'll be around 475 degrees Fahrenheit. To prep your strawberries, you're just going to cut off the ends here, slice them up real thin, and toss them in your bowl. I'll demonstrate here. Easy peasy. And you'll pretty much just want to keep doing that until you've got a bowl full of strawberries to feed all your friends and family at the cookout. Once you've got all these beautiful, beautiful red strawberries cut up and put in your bowl, we're going to douse them in honey. And then mix them up with a rubber spatula. Don't be shy with your honey now. We want every little berry just doused in our honey. So this is taking it to the max of measuring with your heart. Now we mix. Okay. For measurement's sake, you may need upwards of, I'd say, at least a cup of honey. But it does depend on how many folks you're celebrating America's independence with. Look how shiny those berries look. Shiny like the stars and stripes on the American flag itself. Or like the fireworks that'll shine in the night sky. Once your strawberries are nice and honey glazed, into the fridge they go for, I'd say, 1 to 2 hours to marinate. On to the biscuits! It's time to make the biscuit! For the biscuits, we're throwing together our flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and all of the other seasonings. On your recipe, you do it 1 cup at a time. There's no need to rush. So that was 4 cups of flour. We're going to be taking 5 teaspoons of the baking powder. Do a teaspoon of salt. Now my salt here has a grinder, so I'm just going to twist it. About that much. For our nutmeg, nutritional yeast, and cinnamon, it's going to be sprinkling that in. I usually recommend around a teaspoon or 2 apiece. But as always, I'm going to measure it with my heart. What, do you think the revolutionaries always had a game plan? Hell no. But you know what they did do? They got the job done. For America. I'm just going to be adding a 1/4 cup of the brown sugar. Just give it that little bit of sweetness. And now, we whisk it all for our country. in dollops, or you can do it in slices if you're using stick butter. And we're just going to cut in that butter until the mixture is crumbly. To actually cut in the butter, you can use a pastry cutter, or if you don't have one, because mine broke, you can use 2 knives. Time to cut our butter, like so. I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. Hey, looks pretty crumbly to me. It's like its own little melting pot. We're gonna add in a 1.5 cups of milk, a healthy dash of vanilla, and another healthy dash of honey, because you just can't get enough sweetness. A teaspoon will do, or 2, or whatever the spirit of America tells you is right. We'll add the honey after we mix it a little bit more, actually. Trust me, it's for the best. Now you want is a nice little biscuit dough here. Go ahead and add our honey now. Just a nice healthy drizzle. Make sure you scrape those sides now. Don't miss any flour. And you don't want that flour pocket at the bottom either, so scrape it all up. We've got our biscuit dough. Smelling really good and looking really good, so let's prep it for the oven. Awesome. Onward to the oven! Now we've got that in the oven. They'll be in there for about 11 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown. Time to take this bad boy out of the oven. Oh yeah. Look at that view. You don't have to have served your country to serve this amazing shortcake. Serving it's as easy as taking some shortcake here, whatever size you'd like. Oh yeah, a nice sized little chunk here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Much better when it's not. Okay. I'm gonna take our marinated strawberries out of the fridge. Nice healthy spoonful. With even some syrup at the bottom you can drizzle over. And finally, your blueberries, which you just keep as is for texture and flavor and all that fun jazz. And again, you just drizzle it on over. However many you'd like. Now, this is red, white, and blue enough, but if you like just that little extra moisture and patriotism, add a splash or 5 of milk. One and a half will do you, unless you really like a moist shortcake. Alright, let's give it a try. Everything on that spoon. Oh yeah. If you serve that at your 4th of July cookout, that's gonna be gone real quick. That's that on my patriotic red, white, and blue strawberry shortcake recipe. If you try it out, hit me up in my DMs. I'd love to hear how you changed it, or if you like the way I made it, or if you just want to say hi. Until next time, this has been Britt Rachelle. Stay peachy, and happy 4th of July. Hold on. I definitely forgot something. There's one very important ingredient this is missing. Patriotism. America! Fuck yeah! Going to save the motherfucking day now, America! Fuck yeah! America!